Have you ever faced a challenge but felt too embarrassed to seek help? For millions of seniors, this silent struggle takes place in the bathroom not due to illness or weakness, but because of something as simple and essential as wiping after using the toilet. It might seem minor until it isn't. Perhaps your arms don't reach as easily as before. Arthritis has stiffened your fingers, or your back no longer bends like it used to. Gradually, this once effortless task begins to feel burdensome. You hesitate, you struggle, you worry, and worst of all, you start to lose a bit of your independence. But here's what no one tells you. You are not alone. This issue is surprisingly common yet rarely discussed. Ignoring it can lead to discomfort, infections, and more serious health problems. Today, however, there is hope. You're watching Senior Wisdom, a channel dedicated to helping you live healthier, smarter, and more independently every day. In this video, we'll gently guide you through simple, practical solutions that make personal hygiene easier, especially after using the bathroom. You'll learn about tools designed specifically for seniors, alternatives to toilet paper that are softer, cleaner, and more effective, and expert tips to help you feel more in control, dignified, and comfortable in your own body. We promise to keep things honest, respectful, and easy to follow. From pre-moistened wipes to travel-friendly bidets, from clever gadgets to helpful routines, there's a solution here for you or someone you care about. Before we dive in, I have a small favor to ask. If you've ever faced this struggle or want to support someone who has, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. This helps let YouTube know this topic deserves attention and helps us reach more people just like you. Now, take a deep breath. You're not broken. You're not alone. You're about to discover something that will make life a little easier starting today. Let's begin with the first solution that's changing how seniors think about bathroom hygiene when toilet paper just isn't enough. Here's what seniors need to know. The problem isn't just about being clean. It's about confidence. As we age, even simple routines can quietly become difficult. One of the most overlooked challenges is staying clean after using the bathroom. Many seniors struggle not because of poor hygiene, but because their bodies no longer move the way they once did. Arthritis can make gripping painful. Stiff joints make twisting and bending slower. For some, balance issues make the very act feel unsafe. So what happens? Some start avoiding social gatherings, worried about body odor. Others feel ashamed to ask for help. That loss of privacy can feel very heavy. But the truth is, this isn't a sign of weakness. This is a call for better solutions, and thankfully, there are better options available. Why isn't toilet paper senior-friendly? Although toilet paper has been a bathroom staple for decades, it was never designed with aging bodies in mind. Here's why toilet paper often falls short for older adults. It can be harsh on sensitive skin, especially with repeated wiping. It doesn't always provide a thorough clean, which can cause irritation and infections. And it demands manual dexterity for twisting and reaching motions that become challenging with age. Think about it: if your knees ache, your back hurts, or you rely on a walker, bending over to wipe properly might feel impossible. And if the job isn't done well, bacteria or moisture can linger, leading to painful rashes, urinary tract infections, or even pressure sores. Fortunately, hygiene products have come a long way. Let's look at some senior-friendly alternatives that make personal care safer, cleaner, and easier. First, pre-moistened wipes. Gentle, yet not flawless. These are soft, disposable wipes pre-soaked with cleansing solutions. They feel gentler and fresher than dry toilet paper and are favored by seniors because they're softer on aging skin, clean more effectively, and are easier to handle than folded toilet paper. Scientifically, wet wipes use mild surfactants, similar to baby shampoo, to lift and remove residues. Some also include soothing ingredients like aloe vera or vitamin E. The downside? Most wipes aren't truly flushable despite packaging claims. Flushing them can clog plumbing and harm sewer systems. They're also not biodegradable and contribute to landfill waste. The best practice is to keep a covered trash bin next to the toilet and dispose of wipes there instead of flushing. Second, portable bidets. Clean with water wherever you go. These handheld refillable bottles spray water for cleaning after using the bathroom. Seniors appreciate them because water cleans better than wiping, reduces irritation from hemorrhoids or incontinence, and they're perfect for travel or public restrooms. To use, fill the bottle with lukewarm water, aim and squeeze. Some have angled nozzles for easier access. Their compact size fits easily in purses or glove compartments. Water naturally removes bacteria without harsh chemicals, leading to less inflammation, fewer infections, and no need to rub irritated skin. Keep in mind, they require access to clean water, so they're most effective at home or in hotels. It takes some practice to aim properly. Pro tip: if your tap water is hard or causes irritation, try filtered or boiled water. Third, Peri bottles, the simpler cousin of bidets. Originally designed for postpartum care, these perineal irrigation bottles are now widely used by seniors. They're lightweight, easy to squeeze, great for bedside use, and less intimidating than electronic bidets. You fill the bottle with warm water, aim below, and gently rinse after toileting. A handy tip is to keep one in the bathroom and another by the bedside for nighttime use. Use unscented warm water to prevent irritation. Downsides include needing to refill frequently and lacking a drying feature. Keep a soft towel nearby or consider a built-in bidet attachment as a long-term upgrade. These devices are nozzles attached to your toilet seat that spray water to clean you. They work well for seniors because there's no need to bend or wipe. A simple press of a button does the job. You can adjust settings like temperature, pressure, and spray direction. Scientifically, bidets use targeted water jets to reduce the spread of bacteria. Studies show that people who use bidets experience fewer urinary tract infections, improved hygiene, and greater comfort, especially those dealing with hemorrhoids or incontinence. Prices range from $50 to $500 depending on features. Models with warm water and heated seats cost more but provide enhanced comfort. Most bidet attachments fit standard US toilets, though you might need a plumber if you want electric or warm water hookups. Some drawbacks include a learning curve for the settings and a higher upfront cost, but the long-term comfort makes it worthwhile. Next, handheld shower heads offer a gentle, thorough way to clean your entire body. These removable sprayers allow rinsing without wiping. Many seniors appreciate them for full-body cleansing, adjustable water pressure suitable for sensitive skin, and their eco-friendly multi-use design. After bathroom use, you can step into the shower and rinse off with the sprayer. Many models include massage functions that soothe sore muscles. Downsides: you have to undress and step into the shower, making it more time-consuming than other options. It's not ideal for quick cleanups. This method suits seniors who suffer from leakage, incontinence, or frequent irritation, providing relief by rinsing rather than constant wiping. Soft washcloths offer a reusable and gentle alternative. These are cloth squares moistened and used like wipes, then washed and reused. They appeal to some because they contain no chemicals or fragrances, are environmentally friendly, and are very gentle on delicate skin. To use, dampen the cloth with warm water, wipe carefully, then store used cloths in an airtight container until laundry day. Use hot water and mild detergent for sanitizing. Keep in mind that they require regular washing and safe storage for used cloths, so they're less convenient for travel or public restrooms. A helpful tip: use white washcloths so you can easily see if you've cleaned thoroughly. Toilet tissue wands help seniors reach without straining. These are long-handled plastic tools designed to hold a folded wipe or tissue, allowing cleaning without twisting or bending. They help restore dignity by reducing the need to ask for assistance, ideal for those with hip or back problems, and are easy to clean and reuse. To use, attach a wipe or tissue to the wand's end, wipe, then press a button or lever to release the used wipe into the trash. Limitations include a learning curve to use comfortably, and some models may feel bulky. They might not be suitable for those with very limited hand strength. But with the right model, they offer a powerful way to maintain independence. In closing, hygiene is about more than just clean skin, it's about self-respect. If you've ever felt frustrated, embarrassed, or discouraged by hygiene challenges, remember this: there is absolutely nothing wrong with you. Your body may have changed, but your dignity remains intact. Thanks to simple tools and thoughtful alternatives, you can regain control. You can stay clean, confident, and comfortable on your own terms. Remember, Your comfort matters just as much as your independence. Here at Senior Wisdom, we believe every solution should respect that. In the next section, we'll guide you on how to combine some of these tools with daily habits to make your bathroom routine smoother and safer. Stay tuned. If you've ever dealt with these challenges or are simply searching for better ways to care for yourself or a loved one, leave a comment with the word hope. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone is the first step toward feeling better. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our health tips here on Senior Wisdom. We're here to support you every step of the way. Small changes can bring big relief. Smart bathroom tips for older adults don't have to be expensive or complicated. Often, the most effective improvements are simple adjustments that make daily hygiene safer, easier, and less stressful. In this section, we'll share proven tips and tools that seniors and caregivers can use to maintain cleanliness with comfort and confidence. Because at Senior Wisdom, we know staying healthy isn't just about what you do, it's about how you do it. First, prioritize stability. Room aids that help you stay balanced. Grab bars, toilet safety frames, and raised toilet seats can make a huge difference. For many seniors, the toughest part about using the bathroom isn't the hygiene itself, it's the physical movement involved. Sitting, standing, reaching, and balancing. Why is this so important? Losing your balance can lead to falls, the leading cause of injuries among older adults. Feeling unstable often causes hesitation and stress, which might make you rush or skip hygiene steps. Simple solutions include installing grab bars on the wall next to or behind the toilet. Toilet safety frames offer arm support for sitting and standing. Raised toilet seats add 2 to 4 inches of height, reducing the effort needed to sit down or get up. Practical tip: look for models with non-slip grips and weight limits that suit your body. Many raised seats are adjustable and don't require tools to install. Next, soft toilet cushions because sitting shouldn't be painful. Do you experience pins and needles, numbness, or discomfort after sitting too long? This is more common than you might think. Hard plastic toilet seats can create pressure points, especially for those with sciatica, hip arthritis, or low muscle mass. The solution is a padded toilet seat cushion. It helps relieve pressure on your hips and tailbone, supports healthy circulation in your legs, and makes longer bathroom routines more comfortable. Some cushions even feature memory foam or gel inserts. This small change can turn a painful experience into something much easier to handle. Number 3. Sit while wiping. This isn't just for children. Many adults were taught to stand while wiping, but that's not always the best approach, especially as we get older. Why sitting is better for seniors: it uses less energy, provides greater stability, especially if you have a grab bar to hold on to, and allows easier access without stretching too far. If standing causes you to wobble, feel dizzy, or strain your back, give yourself permission to stay seated. Sometimes the simplest habit change can be the most empowering. Number 4. Use a torso binder to improve reach. This might surprise you, but it's a game changer for anyone carrying extra weight around the stomach. What is a torso binder? It's a wide elastic or orthopedic belt that gently compresses the abdomen, often used for back pain or recovery after surgery. How does it help in the bathroom? It slightly flattens the belly, making it easier to reach between your legs or around your back. It supports good posture and increases your range of motion. For many, it reduces the effort and frustration during hygiene routines. Note: use only when necessary. Choose a soft, breathable binder and avoid tightening it too much. It should support you, not constrict. Number 5. Showering after toileting. A fresh start every time. Sometimes the best way to truly clean is to wash thoroughly. Many older adults prefer showering after using the bathroom, especially in the morning or after bowel movements. Why this helps? Water rinses away residue and bacteria far better than wipes. No twisting or stretching is required, just let the water do the work. It also helps prevent skin breakdown, especially for those with incontinence or hemorrhoids. Bonus tip: install a handheld shower head with a pause button so you can control the spray without wasting water. If getting in and out of a tub is hard, consider a walk-in shower, shower chair, or transfer bench. Showering even once daily can replace the stress of multiple tough wipe-downs throughout the day. Number 6. Improve hygiene from the inside out with fiber and water. This doesn't cost anything and often works better than any tool. The easier your bowel movements, the easier the cleanup. Constipation is very common among older adults due to low fiber intake, dehydration, medication side effects, and reduced activity. The result is hard, sticky, or incomplete stools that are harder to wipe and more likely to irritate skin. Natural solutions include eating high-fiber foods such as beans, oats, berries, pears, and leafy greens. Drink 8 to 10 cups of water daily, unless your doctor advises otherwise. Move regularly. Even a short walk after meals helps. Use psyllium husk or fiber supplements if necessary, but always consult your doctor first. When digestion improves, your bathroom routine becomes quicker, cleaner, and less stressful. Take your time, there's no need to rush in a world that values speed. It's easy to feel pressured to hurry, even in the bathroom. The truth is, rushing often leads to accidents, poor hygiene, or even injury. So be gentle with yourself. Sit comfortably, take deep breaths, and use the tools that suit you. Don't push your body before it's ready. Your dignity doesn't come from how fast you do things, but from doing them safely, thoughtfully, and with care. Here's a final thought. Your comfort deserves to be protected. Using the bathroom shouldn't be a struggle. With the right tools and a few smart adjustments, it doesn't have to be. At Senior Wisdom, we want you to know it's perfectly okay to adapt, to do things differently than you did at 40, and to choose comfort over convention. You deserve to feel clean, confident, and respected every day. Sometimes the quiet moments, the ones we rarely talk about, carry the most weight. Like standing in the bathroom, frustrated that your body no longer moves as it once did. Or wondering if needing help means you've lost something important: strength, independence, dignity. But here at Senior Wisdom, we believe you're not defined by what's harder now. You are defined by your wisdom, resilience, and your commitment to keep showing up for yourself and your loved ones. Aging brings change, and that's no secret. But change doesn't mean defeat. In fact, it invites us to approach life differently, more thoughtfully, gently, and with compassion for ourselves. Maybe you're realizing that wiping after using the bathroom isn't as simple anymore. That doesn't make you less, it makes you human. And you are not alone. With the tools and tips we've shared today, you have real, gentle, and thoughtful options that respect your needs and support your independence. Whether it's a soft wipe, a bidet, a grab bar, or a more comfortable seat, you deserve solutions that work for you. So don't lose heart. This isn't the end of comfort or ease. It's the start of doing things in a way that feels right for this stage of your life. Your body may change, but your worth remains the same. Your right to live with dignity, ease, and peace stays intact. And if no one has told you lately, you're doing just fine. You're learning, adapting, and caring for yourself as best you can. That's not weakness, that's strength in its most graceful form. At any age, you can improve your health, find comfort, and feel whole. We're honored to share this journey with you, one gentle solution at a time. Let's keep learning, growing, and living well together. Thank you for spending this time with us. If you're over 60 and still curious, open to learning, and caring for your health, you are truly inspiring. It takes courage to adapt, to seek new ways, and to care for yourself with kindness and grace. At Senior Wisdom, we're not just offering tips, we're here to walk alongside you. We want to remind you that your well-being is important, and it's never too late to feel better, move more easily, or live life to the fullest. If this video has given you comfort or clarity, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming health guides created just for you. And if you know someone, a friend, sibling, or caregiver who could benefit from this information, please share the video with them. Sometimes, a small tip can make a huge difference in someone's day. Thank you for being with us. Take good care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.